had an interesting question come in on the site about rubber roofs, and we've done a lot of videos on this, but I thought this was interesting. This owner watched the video on rubber roof maintenance and was concerned about the application of conditioner after the cleaning. They called Dicor, the maker of the rubber roof, and they said that conditioners were unnecessary and a waste of money. Just wash with 409 or Dawn dishwashing soap. Why do you recommend using a conditioner after cleaning? And I thought this was interesting because I've done a lot of research on the rubber roof. The EPDM is one version, TPO, Alpha System, there's fiberglass, there's even aluminum. And Dicor actually has a rubber roof maintenance manual. And in that manual, they recommend cleaning, depending on the type. They do not recommend 409. They recommend their cleaner. Some of the manufacturers recommend Dawn dish soap, the blue version, to clean the material, but once you clean it, it's not conditioned. It's not protected from UV rays that are going to make it chalk and are going to make it deteriorate and dry up. And even Dicor sells a conditioning product on their website and through their dealer network. So it's a little concerning who she talked to at Dicor that doesn't recommend their own product. I recommend using a conditioner because once you clean the unit, you're still going to have that sun beating down on it. Just like a tire or any other rubber component you would have in a vehicle, seals, you use some type of a UV protection on there. Now, I recommend a couple different ones. This happens to be the rubber roof treatment by Protectol, and you'll notice that it's got UV protection built into it. Now, this one's designed for EPDM. Now, if you have an Alpha system, they recommend Murphy's oil soap. The way you can tell is if you go inside the vehicle, take one of your flanges down from a roof vent, you'll have some extra material that's kind of tucked in there. Pull that material up, and if it's got a black background, a rubber background, it's going to be EPDM. That would be this product. If it has a white background, then it's going to be TPO. And if it has a fleece-lined background, then it's going to be an Alpha system. Again, the Alpha wants to do the Murphy oil soap. If I had a TPO, this is a product from Protectol. It's got UV protection built right into it. It's good for all surfaces. It polishes, it waxes, and it protects. And it's good for rubber, fiberglass, a variety of different products. But that's the reason I recommend conditioning, because just cleaning is not going to protect it from that sun. So it's going to chalk, it's going to dry up, and frankly, you're going to void your warranty because the rubber manufacturers recommend conditioning it once a year to get that 10-year warranty.